This project is called the OH-IO Outpost, a custom 20 by 25 by 10 steel building with a 10-foot porch located just outside Columbus, Ohio. From the beginning, the goal was to create something with personality while keeping the design practical and cost-efficient. The gray and red two-tone combination gives the building a bold but clean look that fits the Ohio theme well. When using horizontal siding, adding wainscot typically doesn't increase the cost. It simply needs to be planned in advance. We also carried that idea up to the peak with a two-tone color break. Details like that don't add cost, but they do require having the correct material ordered and on-site before installation. When it's planned properly, it can be built right into the design without becoming an upgrade. The porch was another intentional design decision. We opened up two 11-foot by 7-foot sections by removing the base rail and legs in those areas and adding header bars, creating a true open porch feel instead of a closed-in lean-to. That small structural adjustment completely changes how the space functions. Projects like this show that standout buildings usually aren't about expensive upgrades. They're about planning ahead and understanding how each detail works together. When the design is intentional from the start, you can create something unique without increasing the budget.